Open Geospatial Consortium, that is OGC. We are going to talk about standards in action. This is the PowerPoint presentation available on internet by Sam A. Bacharach, and I give all credit to him. So what is Open GIS Consortium? Now, Open Geospatial Consortium, GIS Consortium, it was earlier, now it is Open Geospatial Consortium, and INC means incorporation. What it does is recognizes breadth of focus to include location-based services, imagery exploitation, cartography and mapping, transportation, along with GIS. So this is what Open Geospatial Consortium is all about, OGC. Now what is OGC? This OGC, Open GIS Consortium, is a not-for-profit international voluntary consensus standards organization leading the development of standards for geospatial and location-based services. And the OGC facilitates a consensus process in which government, private industry, and academia collaborate to create open and extensive software application programming interfaces for geospatial and other mainstream information technologies. When was the OGC founded? OGC was founded with 8 charter members at that time of its first board of directors meeting on September 25, 1994, and incorporated in US, UK and Australia. The complete history of OGC can be found on this website. What is the vision of Open GIS Consortium? The world is in which everyone benefits from geospatial information and services made available across any network, application or platform. And mission of OGC is to lead the global development, promotion and harmonization of open standards and architectures that enable the integration of geospatial data and services into user applications and advance the formation of related market opportunities. Now what OGC is and why we are talking about OGC is that whosoever is related to either remote sensing or GIS or similar technologies and application, they have to have or they will come across these OGC. So there has to be some standard. I develop, you develop, or somebody else develop. So what we should follow, what is the latest technology, and we need to come to the same standard, same level to make things which is interoperable and usable for everything. That is why OGC we are talking today. So the growth of OGC over to 60 members worldwide, 31 countries and 5 continents, and broad participation with other industry in an international standard organization, 14 approved, publicly available implementation specifications. These specifications are available, and numerous candidate implementation specification in work going on. OGC reference model defines interoperable geo-architecture. It has to be interoperable. That's what I was just talking about. And rapidly growing list of vendor implementations are also there. What are the objectives, current objectives of OGC? To promote the use of interoperable geoprocessing throughout the information technology marketplace and synchronize geoprocessing technology with commercial information technology standard. You see, information technology is a computer science aspect. Geoprocessing technology is also GIS aspect or geographic related technology. But now what we are going to talk about, we need to synchronize this geography related technology with the computer science, information technology, and arranging cooperation of GI product suppliers and GI users to develop interoperable software interfaces. Means it has to be interoperable, everyone can use it. It has to be available to everyone. And one more objective is involve entire community in the interoperability process. All these 4 points objective is somewhere or other related to interoperability. Again, the to provide an industry forum for partnerships and cooperative business development projects, and promote co-opetition, not competition. So promote standards based off the shelf software from commercial, that is COTS and other sources. So when does OGC fit in the standards world? This is OGC, software interfaces, and this is ISO, and this is what WWC, World Wide Web Consortium, IETF. This is where it fits. We have some common parts here, and these common parts are very important. What does the OGC provide? It provides agreed upon consensus process, staff knowledge, expertise and support, process framework, consensus based forum, and communications infrastructure. Also, the membership growth and diversity includes all integrators, major hardware and software companies, developers of geospatial technologies and services, then government agencies that depend on geoprocessing entirely, then location services, telecoms and others. It includes power, universities, etc. So the evolution of OGC strategic focus, we have some technical and socio-economic impact also. So in 1994 to 2008, from OpenGS consortium establishment to the broad scale application of geoprocessing technology and expanded understanding of global inter-community relationships. This is the growth. So this is the first generation web-based interoperable service, then information and multi-platform interoperability capability composite service, then the second generation web-based interoperability services and decision support systems. The approved OpenGIS specifications are simple feature access like OLE SQL core bar, then catalog. We have seen catalog services in various applications, then coordinate transformation from one coordinate to other, grid coverages, then web mesh service, WMS, web service, GML, geography markup language, web WFS, web feature service and filter, then SLD, style layer descriptor, and WCS, web coverage service, and WTS, that is web terrain service. So this was a brief idea about OGC, and this OGC represents a large swath of geospatial software and data providers and integrators, and it has strong competition with other standard bodies like ISO, IETF, W3C and OASIS. So all credits to the person who has made this presentation, and thank you all.